Hello cutie, today I'm going to do 10 twerk moves. We're all going to do them 1 times 8 and we're going to see how many you can do. Let's go. I have a little cheat sheet here. You just have to follow along. Everything's going to be 1 times 8, so if you can't do it, just wait and then we'll do the next one. It's going to get progressively more difficult, so don't be discouraged if you can't do them. Just keep practicing. I've done a video like this 2 years ago with 17 moves. If you haven't checked that one out, that's also a really good one. But let's do an updated version because I feel like all the twerk queens in here have grown in these 2 years. So let's start with our bounce up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double bounce down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that was 8 already. Lol. And then we're gonna do a box move. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. A jump bounce. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost there. Look at us go. We have our jiggle, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to do an advanced jiggle. So we're going to circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going, 7, you can do it, 8. I know it's getting hard. Okay, now we're gonna, let me see. Oh yeah, so we're gonna come down here. In a squat position, we're gonna bounce up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got there. I'll do a 1 extra because I almost fell. Now we're going to do side to side. Tap, tap, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. We're almost there, guys. We're going to do some booty isolation. As you can hear, I'm out of breath. Whew. We're going to do some booty isolations, so sit your ass down, pop the booty out. Let's go. 1. And we're almost there. I'm not sure if I'm counting double or not, but let's just keep going. Tap, 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 tap. Done. And then the last one, this is going to be the hardest one. Push up and jiggle. So if you can do this one, you're an absolute pro. I have body lotion on my legs. Now the floor is all slippery. Okay, come into your push-up position. Let's go. Top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 7. Last one. 8. If you followed these 10 moves, so proud of you. It got worse, or not worse, it got more difficult towards the end. So don't be discouraged if you can't do it yet. You'll find all these moves on my channel, so make sure to subscribe for all the twerk tutorials you'll ever need. Bye.